caught me in a good time. Kasi right now I'm planning to lift my 2 inches so I can fit the 31-inch tires. Okay, so ayun na, hindi ko na video kanina, but already removed the tires. I have 2 jack stands there na naka jack sa frame. Then I have a jack here on the suspension, on the differential. There we go. Remove the pan-hard rod. Feeling ko mahirap ibalik yan mamaya. And remove the shock absorbers. Yan. There we go. Yan. So shortcut na itong video na to. Okay. Last time kasi hindi ko binaba yung pan-hard rod. So nahirapan pa ako na tanggalin yung spring. So now actually one-hander, sinisikwat ko lang siya palabas. See it? Sikwat na lang niya palabas. Sikwat. There we go. Baba ni spring. Mula na siya. There. It's easy, right? Here, on this side, do the same thing. Sikwat, then move. And sikwat, then move. There we go. Tapos na yung spring mo. Okay. Iwan ko munang ganito to. Then tingnan natin kung makakuha tayo ng springs. If not, mag-spacers tayo. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, be back later. Okay, ito tayo ngayon kay Himokoto. Dito tayo kapagawa ng spacer ng springs. O yan, taray ka sa YouTube ha. Madami nagsasabi na pangit yung mga rubber bushing na gawa sa fly, pero subok ko na yan eh. Mula shock mount, compliance bushing, engine mount, lahat yan. Halos dito pinago, kundi dito sa kabila. Pero lahat naman yan matitibay eh. Kaya alright, we're back home. Ito na ang gawang spacer ni Himokoto. And yung fit niya, there we go. Ayan, nasa mo na ito. There. We have 2 of them. Where's the other one? Sige, kapitan natin. Na siya. There. Saktong-sakto yung binigay ko sukat, kaya naipasok siya ng ganun without falling down. Okay. Alright, yan, nakabit yung spring. Can you see it? Hindi kita. Ito rito. Yan, so it mounts snugly on the spacer. So isang method ulit na nakita ko sa Banawi is gagamit ng lubid. Yan, you can see this. Ito yung Banawi method na nilalagyan ng tali para compress. What I did was kinompress ko muna sa ako nilagyan ng tali. Alright, kakabit ko na. Ayos naman. Ayan. Ayan. Ito na pagkalapat ng spring. Okay. Last time kasi hindi ko binaba yung pan hard rod. So nahirapan pa ako na tanggalin yung spring. So now nakababa siya. What we just do is here, actually one hander, sinisikwat ko lang siya palabas. See it? Sikwat na lang yan palabas. Sikwat. There we go. Baba ni spring. Tanggal na siya. There. It's easy, right? Spring seat. One hand lang yan, ha? Hawak ko pa yung phone sa isang kamay. Then sa kabilang side we do the same thing. Here on this side we do the same thing. Sikwat, then move. Squat, then move. There we go. Just na yung spring mo. This is the spring mount. Okay. The spring mount. Dami lumot dito. Okay. Iwan ko munang ganito to. Then, hahanap ako na spring. Maghanap ako na spring na kaparehas niya. If we can ikot, umikot ako sa surplusan mamaya magbukas. Then tingnan natin kung makakuha tayo na springs. If not, mag spacers tayo. Yeah? Okay, be back later. Alright, we're back. Inabot tayo ng gabi nung pagkabit ng likod. So now it's done. Mounted the wheels. Okay, so there is enough height para mag-fit ang 31 tires. Now, since nakataas na yung likod, itong harap naman, to lift the front, well, is to crank up the torsion bars. Here, the torsion bars, if you go underneath the vehicle, sa ilalim nung driver's side, here, so torsion bars goes all the way up to the lower arm. Yeah. So you have one on the left, one on the right. Here's the right. There's the right. So when I lift the torsion bars, when I crank the torsion bars, gina-jack ko na yung sasakyan para masudali na mag-ikot ng torsion bars. Okay? I'll get to this. Alright. So the first thing that you need to do is, here, if you notice here, there are two nuts. And to isang nut which tightens this one underneath, and the isa is the lock nut. So what you do is you do again. So what you do now is you loosen the lock nut. There. So once it's loose, kailangan here, the nut here is sisikipan mo siya para mag-crank yung torsion bar. So kukuha ka ng pang kontra. Okay. Then ihigpitan mo siya. So do this until maramdaman nyo na masikip na. After you crank it up, i-drive around yung sasakyan sa mga humps and all para mag-settle down yung spring. Then you then you measure the height. Pag kulang, crank it up more. Pag sobra, luwagan nyo. Pag luwag, it's the same thing. You just need to bring it down. Luluwagan nyo lang. Alright. Pag okay na yung ride height, pwede nyo lang ilock itong nut para hindi na siya luluwag. Alright. Now do this for this side. The next side. There. See yung kabilang side. Inangat ko na rin. Hey, here's the finished product. A 2-inch lift. 31-inch tires. Okay, fix the rubbing issues in front. Well, actually, merong konting rubbing issues in front. Here. Same thing on the other side. There, kinapit ko rin yung damping yung dati. So far, this is how she looks now. Okay. Next question. Ano kaya magiging itsura niya pag ka 33-inch tires? Let's see. Tingnan natin. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Sana nakatulong ako sa mga gusto mag DIY upgrade, update ng kailang mga Terrano. Thanks!